you have already kind of pre-ordered this book, this book is available for pre-orders. This is the cover. And it will be out on 8th October. 8th October से delivery start हो जाएगी. Hopefully, if you are in a city where Amazon delivers, it should come to you pretty soon. After that, maybe even on that day, they really try to give as many on that day. Now, this book is already number one based on pre-orders alone, which has been possible because of you guys. So I really, really want to thank you for that. Thank you so much for making that happen. In fact, let me show you how to get to this book if you want to pre-order. So like I'm just going to screen share this with you. This is the Amazon screen. So you go to Amazon and let's say you do 400 days Chetan Bhagat. It will take you to the page, the searches, and this is the book 400 days. So you can select it. As you can see, it's the number one bestseller in books, and you can just pre-order from it. But if you want to see the bestseller list all India, this is, so the thing about Amazon is there is no fiction bestseller list, children's bestseller list, non-fiction. Everything is together, everything. So even textbooks are in it, right? But this is all India bestseller list right now, number one in the whole country of 1.4 billion people. Wow, 400 days, which has not even released yet. But basically, because of your love, because of your trust in me, you guys know कि अच्छी होगी. And यार अच्छी है book. I know अपनी है, लेकिन फिर भी कह रहा हूँ, as you know, I have not disappointed every time. And this I have often said is my best book because ये lockdown में लिखी है. And lockdown में, we all were so, I mean, tied up. I've never been as focused. So in this book, I've tried to do a lot of things. There's a missing child story. There's a mystery element of that. That's why this missing child, this crayon thing, why is it in crayons and why is this kind of picture? You will know in the story. Actually, there's a trailer also, which is available on YouTube, on my Instagram, everywhere else. So I've posted that trailer also. You'll get more sense of it. But it's a story with a missing child, but there's a love story also. Bina love story ke main book likh nahi sakta. There's a friendship story also. It's a mystery, but it's also got humor in it. It's got very, very simple English. I write in simple English. I consider it as one of my strengths, but at the same time, it has very deep emotions. um, you know uh, I think it's Hemingway who once said that big emotions don't come from big words. And I totally agree with that. I think you should write to express, not to impress. So 400 days is an ambitious book. It's a very intricate plot. You will read it, it's super simple, but I know because I created it, I wrote it, it's something really special. And like I said, you can go to the book. If you go to the book, you can see, you can order the Kindle edition. That also can be pre-ordered if you have a Kindle device. But otherwise, you can just order the paperback. Normally it's 250, but if you pre-order it, it's 199. It will have the signature on it if you order. And then the Amazon ordering process, you go to the quantity and you go to the pre-order now kind of page, and you can do that as well. And that will maybe be a way you can give it to your as a gift to people. We try to bring the book out during Diwali and Dishera and all this festive time, really. Durga Puja, all these things are happening in the country. So I've always had this so-called Diwali release जो हमेशा पिक्चरों में होता था. I said, why not do it for books also? So yeah, this is also a Diwali release. So I count on your support, and I will not disappoint you. And I do think when you pre-order a book, you're supporting not only me but also Indian books, Indian literature, keeping books alive. बहुत content हम देखते रहते हैं, reels and all, and book का charm ही और होता है. Book का, like, the magic of books is different. And that's because they are written over a long period of time. The writer typically spends months, years doing one book. But reels are normally done fast. TikTok is normally done fast. Nothing against it, but just the depth of work in a book, in a well-written story, is going to be far more enjoyable for you guys. So yeah, I think I can say that you will enjoy reading 400 days. I want you to pre-order it, read it, and then give feedback here. YouTube is a new addition to my family. I'm very active on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, but YouTube is new, and YouTube is my, okay, let me say it, it's a little bit of my favorite family right now because you guys are giving so much love. You write such wonderful comments, well thought, full sentences, and very respectful. People always say trolling and all. I don't And I do get trolled on Twitter, but on YouTube I haven't had that. So why should I even say? It never happens. But I'd like you guys, and as you know, most of my videos are on motivation, self-development, things like that. But I'm a writer. And maybe that's what makes my motivation videos good, because I'm not doing it for a career. That's just my hobby. But this is my book. ये भाई की इज्जत है, ये आपको रखनी है. So if you want, please read it, order it for yourself as a gift. Books are good. They help you build your imagination, which is very important in life. Not just if you are doing an artistic job, but imagination in terms of what business will you open, or which city will you live, or what kind of a job will you do, what can you do now when you're in a tough situation in life. If you don't have imagination, you will not come up with options, right? And then books build focus. When you read, your mind gets focused. So books have lots of advantages, not just mine, any book. And of course my book is coming. And yeah, this is the one thing I feel good. If people order my book, read it, give me feedback, genuine feedback. So far I've had excellent feedback for all the previous books I've had, and this, I told you, is probably my best, because like I said, itna focus mein lockdown mein hi aisi kitab likhi ja sakti thi. So let me know what you think, and if you pre-ordered it, do share that in the comments below. If you're planning to, do share that in the comments below. Tell me your city and state. It's always nice to know कि देश के कोने कोने में, दुनिया के किस कोने कोने से लोग मेरी बुक को ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं. Just wanted to share these thoughts with you. Thank you so much. Take care.